Welcome back to Car Review. Hello car enthusiasts. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air stands as a landmark in automotive history, capturing the spirit of 1950s America with a bold blend of style, power, and innovation. As part of Chevrolet's iconic Tri-5 lineup, the 55 Bel Air set a new standard for family cars and became an instant classic that has endured for generations. On the exterior, the Bel Air was a masterpiece of design. Its sleek, curvaceous body lines, complemented by gleaming chrome accents and the signature wraparound windshield, gave the car a sense of movement even when standing still. The jet-inspired tail fins and bold two-tone paint schemes added a touch of elegance, offering drivers a variety of color combinations that exuded personality and flair. Its low, wide stance and well-proportioned silhouette were groundbreaking at the time, making the Bel Air a true head-turner on any street. Under the hood, 1955 marked the introduction of Chevrolet's legendary small-block V8 engine, a 265 cubic-inch powerhouse that changed the game. With 162 horsepower in its standard form, and an optional power pack that boosted output to 180 horsepower, the Bel Air was as powerful as it was stylish. For those who craved performance, this V8 provided thrilling acceleration and a smooth, responsive ride that put it in a class of its own. Paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission or Chevrolet's advanced PowerGlide automatic, the driving experience was as effortless as it was enjoyable. Inside, the 1955 Bel Air didn't disappoint. It was a symbol of luxury and comfort, offering plush, premium upholstery, chrome trim, and a stylish dashboard that was ahead of its time. The aircraft-inspired speedometer, along with the chrome-accented steering wheel and detailed instrument panel, brought a sense of modern sophistication to the cabin. Optional features like power windows, an AM radio, and even air conditioning made the Bel Air an incredibly modern car for its era. The 1955 Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American prosperity, freedom, and style. Its perfect blend of cutting-edge engineering and beautiful design made it one of the most desirable cars of the 1950s, and even today, its allure remains timeless. Whether cruising down Route 66 or parked at the drive-in, the Bel Air represented everything that was exciting about the post-war boom, an era of optimism, innovation, and the open road. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.